Here then are the do-nots. Never strike a bearing with hardened tools such as ball-peen hammers, chisels or steel punches. This practice is a common cause of personal injury as well as bearing and tool damage. Never spin a bearing with compressed air in order to dry it. This foolish action has caused some very unpleasant accidents. It also destroys the bearing, as it spins without lubrication. Never use flammable liquids to wash components. Use only recommended non-flammable solvents. Do not use fluffy rags or cotton waste on or around bearings or in any operation involving bearings. Do not work on wooden surfaces with bearings. Splinters or chips can lodge in the rolling elements, causing damage. Metal-covered workbenches provide the safest work surface. Do not wash a new bearing, especially a pre-packed type, as this will destroy the lubricant already in the unit. The light coating of oil on a new bearing is to protect it from corrosion during storage and need not be removed before installing. That concludes the do's and do-nots. After the discussion break, you will learn some conventional procedures for checking bearings in operation.